Okay, today we're printing a key hanger. Let's see. We'll be printing it from ABS. If someone's interested. Of course, this is the cover I'll use. A cardboard box, basically. Let's see. Boom. Oh, print. Yeah, key hanger. Usually my settings for the bed are 90 degrees, and for the nozzle is 260 to 65, usually 260. I get the best prints. Yeah, I have a glass covered with glue I use BIC stick glue. I don't know, it's whatever I can find in the shop. It's not, I'm not searching for a specific brand usually. Yeah, and that's it. There's not much to the settings. 90 to 60, and that's it. I'll upload the model to my Thingiverse page, so if anyone wants to get it, it will be there. Yeah. Oh yeah, the speed. Usually for the speed, I go 80 millimeters per second. This will have no support, and we'll see how it will turn out. I hope it will be fine, but we'll see. Yeah, those are the basic settings. This is the ready print. Yeah, I'm kind of happy with the quality. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. I really thought that support will be needed for those, but turns out it's fine without any support. So yeah, it kind of looks sturdy. Yep. Let's install it. And this is how it turned out. I kind of like it. It's even better than I expected. The triangles are not as ugly as I thought. Yeah. And it's sturdy enough. The space between the keys, I think it's okay. It could be a little less, but yeah, if you have the space, it's better to be a little bit more. Yeah, I use only 2 screws to put it in, and it's still stable enough. So I would say it's a win. And that's it. Bye.